You will enjoy that or this. Both can be used. This movie. I can't walk fast in dash shoes. I can't walk fast in these shoes. Because यहाँ this तो आएगा नहीं. This is used with the singular. Here the subject is plural, shoes. So here these will come. And when we are talking about the people over there, so those will be the correct word. That was a wonderful party. Because we are talking about something which has happened in the past, so here that will come. That was a wonderful party. I am not enjoying dash conversation. This is something going on in present, so we will use this word. Conversation के साथ हम this ही लगाएंगे. I am not enjoying this conversation. मुझे ये बातचीत पसंद नहीं आ रही है. Now we come to the group B determiners. We have completed the group A determiners. In that comes the articles, possessives and determiners. I hope it is clear to all of you. It is quite easy. You just have to read it, understand it and do some practice from some another book, or I'll send some exercise, but before that I would like to check your lesson. Question answers, narrow escape, vocabulary and question answers. Today positively send your work. Complete your work immediately and send me the work for checking online only. I have to give the names to Lalita ma'am today only. So it's better if you send the work. All the names will be sent, those who will send me the work. Complete your work as I am doing it, as I am explaining it. Side by side, keep on finishing the work and sending the work to me for checking. It's better. Don't pile up the work. Complete it now. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. If I am going to tell Lalita ma'am that the students are not sending me the work for checking, so you will be in the trouble then. Then you see that how you have to explain it to ma'am. Some, any, each, much, many, enough, etc. are group B determiners. So these are, we are starting with the group B determiners. So here comes some, any, each, much, many, enough, etc. are. All these are group B determiners. Quantifiers, इनमें आ जाते हैं quantifiers, that are group B determiners and they are used with either single or more than one kind of noun, which so they are used either with the singular or the plural. ये दोनों के साथ चल जाते हैं, singular भी और plural भी. And many and more than one kind of noun means which. So now we will go through some examples. The most important ones are some, any, no, much, many, more, most, few, fewer, fewest, all, both, half, each, every, either, neither. These are the distributive. जब हम किसी भी चीज़ को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं या तो हम कहते हैं each one of you या everyone, और either means दोनों में से कोई भी एक, neither means दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं. Little, less, least. This is the three forms of little. Enough means sufficient, several, that you have so many. What, whatever, which, whichever. So these are few quantifiers. Now we will see that how we can use it. Some is also used in the positive sense. When we have to use some, it should be in the positive sense. If we are talking about some, that means कुछ समान है या कुछ पार्ट पड़ा है उसका. If we use any is used in a negative sense and in the interrogative form. अगर हम क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में पूछ रहे हैं, वी आर आस्किंग इन अ क्वेश्चन फॉर्म, then we use any, or if we are using in a negative form, then we are use any. But some is used with the positive sense. Like we'll see in the examples, both are used before countable and uncountable. Countable nouns are the nouns which can be counted, like books, fruits like bananas, apples and all that. These are countables. Uncountables like milk, sugar, ghee, oil, all these are uncountable nouns. So these can be used with both countable as well as the uncountable. I have some many books. So here if we are using some, it is giving us some positive sense, means मेरे पास कुछ books हैं या कुछ money है. It is uncountable noun. मनी भी हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, सॉरी, एंड बुक्स भी. सो बोथ ऑफ देम आर द काउंटेबल नाउन्स. सो वी आर यूजिंग सम, दैट मीन्स आई हैव सम मनी, मेरे पास पैसे भी हैं, थोड़े पैसे भी हैं, और बुक्स भी हैं. इट कम्स इन द पॉजिटिव सेंस. डू यू हैव एनी बुक्स, एनी मनी? सो इफ वी आर आस्किंग इन अ क्वेश्चन, द क्वेश्चन इज स्टार्टिंग विद a do. So if we are using the word any, either it will come in the interrogative form, or if we are talking about something in the negative form. Like हम किसी से पूछ रहे हैं, do you have any money or do you have any books? We are asking, that is in the interrogative form. No, I don't have any books. मेरे पास कोई books नहीं है. So again it shows that negative, नहीं है. मेरे पास कोई पैसे नहीं हैं या मेरे पास कोई बुक्स नहीं है. No, I don't have any books. So here any is used either in the interrogative form or in the negative form. Choose the correct answer. Determiner from the brackets and fill in the bracket blanks. So I trust all of you. Some of you can speak the truth. Here we have to choose the most appropriate one. I trust all of you. मुझे आप सब पे trust है. Some of you can speak the truth. Each one या someone, कौन सा आएगा इसमें? I think someone of you can speak the truth is more suitable. Someone, because we are talking about all. So here some is suiting more. Dash job you do it very well. Means यहाँ पे what नहीं लगेगा. Whatever job you do it very well. I haven't purchased dash dress for Christmas. Some or any. So read it again and find out. I haven't purchased some dress, तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. I haven't purchased any dress for Christmas. Any dress. Dash the staff members are busy with their duties. Few के साथ ऑफ लगेगा हमेशा, तो यहाँ पे ऑफ तो है नहीं है. सो ऑल द स्टाफ मेंबर्स आर बिजी विद देयर ड्यूटीज. Some of you, like here of is used, so here we can use some. Some of you must take up the project in the village. यहाँ पे any ठीक नहीं रहेगा, any of you नहीं लगेगा, क्योंकि any we use either in the negative sense or in the interrogative sense form. So here we are talking about something positive. Some of you must take up. I'm saying means you must take up, you must do this project. So here we are talking about positive thing. So here the some will be used. Whom shall I select for the competition? I am asking Shreya or Akshita. Either girl is good. Means I am asking whom should I select from these two girls. So here we will use either. When we are talking about both are equally good, either they are things or the person, so we are asking to choose between the two. So we will use either. Clear? Dash of what you say is not comprehensible. Half of what you say is not comprehensible. Or we can say both of what you say, but I think half of what you say is not comprehensible is better. Half of what you say means जो तुम कह रहे हो उसका आधा भी मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Comprehensible means I am not getting it, means मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. Ranju has dash friends at school. Much नहीं यूज होगा, यहाँ पे many यूज होगा. Many friends at school. Dash motorbike you chose is okay for me. Whichever or whatever. What will come? Whichever or whatever. Whatever motorbike you choose is okay for me, or whichever motorbike you choose is okay for me. What do you say? Whichever is correct or whatever is correct? Come on, answer me. Whichever motorbike. So if we put here what? Now how it goes, how it sounds, just we'll read the sentence again. Whatever motorbike you choose is okay for me. I think which one is better? मीन्स कोई भी जो भी तुम मेरे लिए मोटर बाइक चूज करोगे मुझे इट इज ओके विद मी. विच एवर मोटर बाइक यू चूज इज ओके विद मी. आई हैड डैश फूड. आई हैड इनफ फूड. आई कांट ईट एनी मोर. मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेगेटिव सेंस. सो आई हैड इनफ फूड. मेरे पास ऑलरेडी बहुत है. आई हैड इनफ फूड. आई कांट ईट एनी मोर. I have very less time to prepare for my exams. I have very less time. Least नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, less ही आएगा. A dash knowledge is a dangerous. Not less knowledge. Here it will come little knowledge. Little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Your class has the least defaulters. Least defaulters means सबसे कम. सभी classes में से. Your class is having the least defaulters. So fewest is not that appropriate. Least defaulters. कम से सबसे कम. Dash people do not agree with the Aadhaar card system. Many people do not agree with the Aadhaar card system. We need dash volunteers for the social service program. So we need more volunteers for the social service program. Most नहीं आएगा, more आएगा. So for today this much is enough. Read it again, whatever I have explained. Read this chapter, determiners, and complete the exercises. I hope you might have finished it with me also, because I am telling you, showing you. So read it again and try to understand this, whatever I have explained, and positively send your narrow escape vocabulary and questions today. जितने बच्चों का हो चुका है कंप्लीट, आज ही चेकिंग के लिए भेजिए. I am jotting down your names and giving to Lalita ma'am today only. And today we'll be having one doubt class, Zoom class. I will send you the link, and so be ready for that Zoom meeting also. So for today it is over. Thank you.